Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning student, good morning all. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Thank you. Okay, today we learn English about narrative text. Let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Narrative text mempunyai tujuan pembelajaran. 1. Membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Yang kedua, menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan. Okay, what is a narrative text? Naratif adalah narasi melalui proses awal, is a story with complication or problematic event and it tries to find a resolution, ya. Jadi cerita dengan komplikasi atau kejadian bermasalah dan mencoba menemukan resolusi untuk menyelesaikan masalah. Adapun tujuan dari narrative text yaitu the purpose of narrative is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story. Jadi untuk menghibur atau membuat pembaca merasa senang dengan mendengarkan sebuah cerita atau membacanya. Dan general structure-nya yaitu the first orientation, the second complication, and the third is resolution. And the orientation adalah pengenalan tokoh, sedangkan complication tells the beginning of the problem which leads to crisis climax, ya. Dan yang ketiga ada resolution, the problem, the crisis is resolved either in happy ending or sad ending. Jadi ada 3 tadi, orientation, complication, and resolution, ya. Jadi dalam orientasi pengenalan tokoh, complication konflik masalah, dan resolusi adalah akhir permasalahannya. Adapun reorientation atau koda di sini adalah ucapan penutup dari cerita, dan ini adalah opsional dari pembelajaran moral, nasihat, atau pengajaran dari penulis, ya. Jadi dalam satu cerita nanti kita akan mendapatkan pesan moral cerita tersebut. The example of narrative text: a long time ago there was a widow named Begindit. She lived by herself. Her house was large and beautiful. Begindit was a miser woman. Her well was plentiful, but she never shared her well with the other people in her village. She mocked everyone to help her. One day, an old man came to her house to get a pail of water. Begindit came out from her house and hit the man with a thunder. "I curse you, evil woman," said the old man. "You are a restless woman," said the old man sharply. Suddenly, the well water gushed out and drowned Begindit and her whole house. The village disappeared and nothing was left. There was only a wide and deep lake. People call it Situ Begindit. This is the story about Begindit. There are 5 questions. Let's answer. 4. Choose the best answer. 1. What is the purpose of the text? Apa tujuan dari teks yang kita baca tadi? Is number 1A, ya, to amuse the reader. Number 2, who was Begindit? Begindit is a miser widow. Seperti yang telah kita baca, siapa itu Begindit? Adalah seorang janda kikir. And number 3, how was the Begindit house? Seperti apa rumah Begindit? It was large and beautiful. Seperti kita baca tadi, mempunyai rumah yang luas dan indah. Number 4, what did the old man come to Begindit house for? Mengapa laki-laki itu datang ke rumahnya Begindit? And the answer is an old man came to fill a water, ya. Number 5, which sentence is true based on the text? The answer is B. Begindit mocked everyone who came to her house for some help. Okay, this is the story of narrative text. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to do your task in Google Classroom. And then thank you for your attention. See you, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.